Episode 2: The Daily Habits That Make a Ford Engine Reach 500,000 Miles. Why do some Ford engines struggle to reach 150,000 miles, while others quietly pass 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles? Most people assume it's luck. Some blame manufacturing quality. Others say modern engines simply aren't built to last anymore. But the uncomfortable truth is this: the biggest difference is not what happens once a year in the workshop. It's what happens every single day behind the wheel. Two Ford owners can drive the same model, use the same oil, and follow the same service schedule. One will face major repairs early. The other will keep driving smoothly for decades. The difference is daily habits. Today we'll break down the exact daily habits that long-life Ford owners follow, often without even realizing how much impact they have. These habits don't feel dramatic, but repeated thousands of times, they decide whether an engine slowly dies or quietly survives for 500,000 miles. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel if you want practical maintenance advice that actually saves engines, not marketing promises. Wrench where really happens. Engines do not wear evenly. They wear during specific moments, over and over again. Not while cruising calmly on the highway, not at steady speed. Most long-term wear happens during cold starts, during short trips, during rush driving, during neglect. Between services, owners who reach extreme mileage don't eliminate wear completely. They simply reduce it every day, consistently. Oil drum habit number 1. Checking oil between oil changes. Most drivers believe oil matters only when it's time for a service. That belief alone shortens engine life. Many Ford engines consume small amounts of oil naturally, not enough to trigger a warning light, enough to slowly reduce lubrication and protection. Long-life owners check oil level regularly. Never rely only on dashboard alerts. Top up early, not when it's already low. Running slightly low on oil doesn't destroy an engine immediately. It slowly increases friction, heat, and internal wear, damage that cannot be reversed later. This habit takes minutes. Ignoring it takes years, often engines' life. Fire habit number 2. Gentle driving until fully warm. Cold engines are vulnerable engines. When the engine is cold, oil is thicker, metal parts haven't expanded, clearances are not optimal. Drivers who shorten engine life accelerate hard, immediately rev high within the first minutes. Treat a cold engine like a warm one. Long life Ford owners do the opposite. Drive gently after startup, keep RPM low, avoid heavy load until fully warm. This habit dramatically reduces wear on bearings, pistons, and timing components over time. Vertical traffic light habit number 3. Limiting constant short trips. Short trips are one of the most underestimated causes of engine damage. When the engine doesn't fully warm up, moisture remains inside the oil-fuel dilution, increases, sludge begins to form over years. This leads to internal corrosion and blocked oil passages. Owners who reach high mileage combine short trips when possible. Occasionally drive long enough for full warm-up. Avoid repeatedly turning the engine off. While still cold, you don't need long drives every day. You just need them often enough to keep the engine healthy. Thermometer habit number 4. Monitoring temperature, not ignoring it. Most drivers notice the temperature gauge only when it reaches dangerous levels. By then, damage may already be happening. Long-life Ford owners notice small temperature changes. Pay attention to unusual fluctuations. Investigate early, not after failure. Engines rarely die from one dramatic overheating event. They die from many small overheating moments, ignored year after year. Stopwatch habit number 5. Fixing small problems immediately. A minor issue today is rarely minor tomorrow. Drivers who shorten engine life often say, "It's just a noise, I'll fix it later, it still runs fine." Long-life owners behave differently. Fix small leaks immediately. Address noises early. Replace worn components before failure. Preventive repairs always cost less than catastrophic ones. Automobile habit number 6. Smooth, predictable driving. Engines are designed for work, not chaos. Sudden throttle inputs, aggressive acceleration, and constant braking all increase mechanical stress. Owners who reach 500,000 miles drive smoothly, anticipate traffic, avoid unnecessary engine strain. Engines prefer steady load and predictable behavior. Stress accelerates fatigue. Soap habit number 7. Keeping the engine area clean, a dirty engine bay hides problems. Dirt and grime conceal leaks, trap heat, accelerate hose, and wiring deterioration. Long life owners, keep the engine bay reasonably clean, notice leaks early, replace aging hoses before failure. A clean engine is easier to monitor and easier to protect. Warning habit number 8. Respecting warning lights. Warning lights are not suggestions. They are early warnings. Drivers who destroy engines. Ignore warning lights, reset errors without diagnosis, continue driving just a little longer. Long life owners, diagnose issues immediately, fix root causes, never assume a warning is harmless. Engines rarely give repeated chances. Brain the long mileage mindset. Reaching 500,000 miles is not about perfection. It's about consistency. High mileage Ford owners, pay attention, respect the machine, avoid shortcuts, think long term. They don't wait for breakdowns. They prevent them. Wrapped gift bonus habit. Listening to the car engines communicate constantly. Sounds, vibrations, smells, changes in response. Most drivers ignore these signals. Long life owners listen. They don't panic. They observe. That awareness alone prevents countless failures. And arrow final truth, you don't need special tools. You don't need extreme modifications. You don't need luck. To make a Ford engine reach 500,000 miles, you need discipline, patience, good daily habits. Engines fail quietly when neglected. They last quietly when respected. In the next episode, we'll focus on oil changes in extreme detail, the exact routine that protects Ford engines for the long term. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. Longevity is built one habit at a time. Automobile wrench.